Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can set up shipping rates and profiles in Shopify. Remember, this is really important if you want to give global shipping option to your customers and want to enable different rates for one region as compared to the other region. For example, for one region, you want to enable the free shipping, and for the other region, you want to give like 1,000 rupees shipping for each shipment. So you can enable it in the Shopify settings. Let me show you. So you have to click on settings, and after that you have to click on shipping and delivery. Okay, so remember, you should also have a location, at least one location added to your store. So you can enable the location from here. I have already added one location, so it's not necessary for me to add. So you have to add the location first. Okay, so the second step is you have to click on shipping and delivery, and from there you have two options like general shipping rates and create a custom profile for specific products. So we will create the general shipping rates, and at the end of this video I will also show you how you can create the custom profile for specific products. So by the way, I have also enabled local delivery and pickup in store for my Shopify store. So you can watch my video. I have also uploaded that video as well. You can find it in my channel. So you have to click on general shipping rates, and then as you can see, this fulfillment location is beside you, and you have to add the shipping zone. So for the shipping zone, you can combine a continent. You can collectively add some uh, countries and give it the name of a shipping zone. For example, you combine America, Canada, and Australia and give it zone number 1, and for the Asian countries you can give it zone number 2, and this way you can cover the whole world. So we will create a shipping zone, and for the shipping zone I will make sure to select Asian countries, 93 states, provinces, Hong Kong, Israel, Japan, and Japan. In Japan, I don't want to select any specific area, so I have selected 47 out of 14, Malaysia, Pakistan, Singapore, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, and for Europe, I will create a separate profile in North America, Canada, Australia. Okay, so this is zone number 1. Okay, and let's add the rates for this zone. So add rate, and there are two types of rate: use flat rate, use carrier or app. So this use carrier or app to calculate rates is available for the advanced Shopify plans, or currently I'm using $1 Shopify plan. So this is $1 for 1 month for 3 months. If you want to avail this offer, you can click in the link in the description. You can avail this offer as well. So currently I'm on this plan, so that's why Shopify is not showing me this setting. Otherwise you can see the carrier setting as well, and these are discounted rates actually. So but for this tutorial I will use the flat rate. I will click on rate, flat rate. Shipping rate is custom, flat rate is free shipping, and the free shipping is like I will add a conditional pricing. For example, the minimum price should be 2,000 rupees. If your order amount is like 2,000 rupees, you get a free shipping, and I will click on done. So as you can see, orders of rupees 2,000 and up, this is free shipping. So we will use another shipping rate like flat fee 200 rupees, and this will only be enabled if our order price is maximum 19.99. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So the shipping fee, if the maximum price is like 19.99, the shipping fee would be like 200 rupees. Okay, and done. So this is how our conditioning works. So if the order amount is like up to 19.99, the flat fee would be 200 rupees, and if it is like 2,000 or above, it would be free shipping. Okay, so this is for the shipping zone 1. So let's add another shipping zone. For the other shipping zone, it has already deselected. It will contain Europe. Okay, and then yeah, Oceania. Okay, fine. So this is zone number 2. And for this zone, I just want to add a flat rate of like 500 rupees, flat shipping 500 rupees, and there is no condition for this. Okay, so another rate, zone number 3. So custom rate. So no, I want to add the zone, another add shipping zone, and then I will select zone number 3. So let's go down. It will contain North America, and then yeah, it will contain North America. This is zone number 3. Okay, so we have covered all the whole world, and shipping rate, this would be like 1,000 rupees in any case. Okay, so flat 1,000 rupees shipping. Okay, so click on done. As you can see, and we have added the rates for all the zone. We have covered the whole world, but it will not work because we haven't added the markets yet. So you have to enable the market. So once this is done, you have to go to markets and you have to enable the markets, because currently we are only enabled the Pakistani market. So you have to enable the market. If you have already enabled the market, you won't see this option. So add countries to start selling. 208 countries are not in a market. All the countries should be in a market, or the countries that you want to deliver to. So you can go to markets. You don't have to enable each and every market, because you don't normally you won't sell to like 206 countries. You sell like 2 to 3 countries. So as you can see, there's only Pakistani market activated, and for the international market, you have to click on this market, and then you have to click on shipping from here. And as you can see, all the rates have been assigned to all countries. So we just have to activate this market. Okay, so this market is international market is activated as well. The local market is like Pakistan, and then the international market. So all the markets have been enabled. So we have already created the shipping and delivery. I will test this shipping at the end of this video. So if you want to create the custom profile, I won't create it for now. I will just show you how you can create it. Create a custom profile for separate products. For example, for some products in your store which are fragile products, like for example hard to carry, you want to charge extra, so you can create a custom profile as well. So you will click on create a custom profile, and then the process is again similar. Fragile products like, and then I will add a product as a test product. T-shirt is actually fragile. Okay, just kidding. So add a shipping zone, and again this process is simple. Zone number 1 and done. Then you have to add the rate. So that's it. How it works. The process is similar. You have to add all the rates and set up the zones, and then you have to enable the markets. Obviously the markets are already enabled. If it is not enabled, you have to click on markets and it will be enabled, but the process is similar. I hope I don't have to repeat this one. So we have enabled the global shipping one and the general shipping profile, created the zones. Now let's try to check out how this thing actually work. So let me open the store, and I will do the multiple testing. So I avail the free delivery, and then I will be charged the price for the shipping. I'm currently in Pakistan, so I will do the testing accordingly. So I have currently added like 10 product to cart, and I will try to check out. So as you can see, just we go down, it has enabled the free shipping because order amount has exceeded 2,000 or more. So let me just update the cart and see if it is charging me fee or not. For example, let's go to cart, and instead of 10, I would like only 3 products. Okay, so 900 rupees. Let's try to check out. There would not be any free shipping now. So as you can see, it has calculated the shipping automatically. This is flat 200 rupees shipping. So that's how you can create the shipping rates and zones in Shopify. Hope the things are clear, and if there is any advanced functionality you want me to make the video